Top 10 Best Mansory Cars Ever Built. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Mansory, a luxury car modification company known for their extravagant designs and incredible performance upgrades. We've compiled a list of the 10 best Mansory cars ever built, so let's dive in. Number 10 on our list is the Mansory Chopster. Based on the Porsche Cayenne, the Chopster features a sleek and aerodynamic design with an upgraded engine that produces over 700 horsepower. Mansory only built 3 of these bad boys, making it a rare and sought-after gem. Next up, we have the Mansory Carbonado Apertos. This supercar is based on the Lamborghini Aventador and features a full carbon fiber body, a redesigned interior, and a twin-turbo V12 engine that produces over 1,600 horsepower. Only 9 Carbonado Apertos were ever made, so if you're lucky enough to see one in person, consider yourself privileged. Number 8 on our list is the Mansory Vivara Bugatti Veyron. Mansory took an already impressive car and turned it into a work of art. The Vivara features a carbon fiber body, a redesigned front grille, and a 1,200 horsepower engine. With only 2 Vivaras ever made, this car is a true collector's item. At number 7, we have the Mansory Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG. This car features a redesigned front end, a full carbon fiber body, and a top speed of 220 miles per hour. The SLS AMG also boasts a 750 horsepower engine, making it a true beast on the road. Number 6 on our list is the Mansory G63 Sahara Edition. Based on the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, this car features a full carbon fiber body, a redesigned front grille, and a 828 horsepower engine. Mansory also added a luxurious interior with diamond-stitched leather seats and a high-end sound system. Next up, we have the Mansory Bentley Continental GT. Mansory took an already luxurious car and made it even better. The Continental GT features a full carbon fiber body, a redesigned front end, and a 1,000 horsepower engine. Mansory also added a custom interior with high-quality leather and exotic wood finishes. Number 4 on our list is the Mansory Stallone Ferrari 599 GTB. This car features a full carbon fiber body, a redesigned front end, and a 720 horsepower engine. The Stallone also boasts a custom interior with carbon fiber accents and high-quality leather seats. At number 3, we have the Mansory Cyrus. Based on the Aston Martin DBS, the Cyrus features a full carbon fiber body, a redesigned front grille, and a 750 horsepower engine. The interior is also fully customized with high-quality leather and exotic wood finishes. Number 2 on our list is the Mansory Renovation. This car is based on the Rolls-Royce Ghost and features a full carbon fiber body, a redesigned front end, and a 720 horsepower engine. Mansory also added a custom interior with high-quality leather and exotic wood finishes. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mansory Vivara Diamond Edition Bugatti Veyron. Mansory took an already impressive car and turned it into a masterpiece. The Vivara Diamond Edition features a full carbon fiber body, a redesigned front grille, and a 1,200 horsepower engine. But what really sets this car apart is the addition of real diamonds in the headlights and interior accents. With only 2 Vivara Diamond Editions ever made, this car is truly a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. And there you have it, folks. The 10 best Mansory cars ever built. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.
If you like our videos, please subscribe and share.